Hello, welcome back to the week of pour painting. This is going to be a fun one. We've got some balloons and we've got some paint and we're going to have fun making ourselves a little mess. So let's get started, get some paint on the canvas. Okay, and here's where it gets fun. So we've got wet paint down on our canvases. This will allow us to play with some extra effects and let the paint kind of flow around without modifying it too much, because once the paint's down, I have a feeling we're going to want to keep whatever patterns show up without modifying it too much. So paint's ready and balloons are next. I have some wet paper towels here, I have some balloons, and I have some inflated balloons. Let's take a look at some of the options. And now we can take the balloons, blow them up, dab them, and just do a little dip. And as we're done, I'm going to try some with letting the air out and some without letting the air out, just pulling it up. But you can see already it kind of flicks some of the paint across. And since we didn't tie the end of it, we can just wipe the balloon off, get the paint off, and keep going. I'm gonna be real with you. We're not seeing a whole lot going on with the balloons aside from just making some circles. If we let the air out real fast, it might flick some of the paint across, but for the most part, this is just a circle simulator. So let's get to the main event here. I got a balloon and I got a little pointy tool for my sculpting, and I have put a lot of plastic down in my house. And let's get this balloon nice and oily, and oh man, that's fun, and it is very messy. You can see I am now much richer in black paint on my surface area, but I like it. Very it's so free. I love it. I'm gonna try it. Nothing but pops on this one. Let's get 4 good pops, and then we'll call it a day. I've added a little cardboard barrier for just a little extra mess protection. And then let's really get in there with this stuff now. We coat the surface, get a lot of paint coverage, and then oh my god, that is so messy, and oh my god, that is fun. Look at that. And it's got carryover into the original piece we did now too. I was so caught up in playing with this style that it didn't even occur to me that this would also mess up this side too. But man, this is a ton of fun. Okay. I'm gonna have to do a whole day of this outdoors or something. I'm gonna get this little I was thinking about doing it a little higher, kinda like explode over it, but nah, I'm just gonna hit the edge. Make sure you catch the pieces of balloon as they pop off, otherwise they'll dry into the painting and that's it, it's over. These are Jackson Porlocks. That one got all over me. Okay. I have some on my face for sure. Oh man, what a ton of fun that is. Doesn't look like I got too much, if any, paint on the camera lens, which is very nice to see. And this is such a delightful little mess. Let's put these off to the side. And then let's just, run a swipe real quick. We have some excess paint, right? Remember that spoon swipe we did? I really have taken a shine to this technique. So I'm going to wrap up this video with the little spoon swipe, and I want to thank you so much for joining me for this. This has been a ton of fun. And if you have home, if you try this at home and make a mess yourself as well, Please, I want to hear about it. I want to see it. Feel free to show me. Join the conversation on Reddit, where you can join a whole community of pour painters. We have about 8,500 people there right now. People sharing new pieces of art every day, and I'd love to see you be a part of it. It's completely free to join. I make no money off of it. I just want to see other artists get together and try this out for themselves. With that, thank you for watching. This has been Souffle Art.